Get ready for a simple yet effective Poundland DIY. Don't be surprised at how quick and easy today's DIY is going to be. This DIY is great for spring and summer, and it's really beautiful home decor, a really nice gift that looks way more expensive, and it's also suitable for wedding decor. So let's get started. First, you're going to need these big light bulbs from Poundland, and they open up, and this is how they look. You can also use actual real light bulbs, but you have to be careful in removing all of the inside. The next thing that you're going to need are some flowers, and I've brought two types. I've got the foam roses, and this is from Hobbycraft, and I also have it in this colour, so I might try that in one. And then I've also got these, and I brought these from the works, and Hobbycraft also sells some that are a little bit better in my opinion. So you need to have some flowers, some kind of flowers, dried flowers. Real dried flowers also work, so you can go ahead and use that. Okay, so you're literally going to just pop them into your light bulbs. Use different colours, that will make it look really nice. And you can, use one light bulb, 2 or 3, however many you like, and add however many flowers you like as well. So I think 3 in here will do. And now moving on to the other one, using the foam flowers. So take the heads off like that and just pop them inside. Just improvise. I'm going to see how it looks when I add the last touch. Yes, we're already on the last step, which is adding water. Alright, so once you've added your water in, this is how beautiful it looks. Got all of your flowers in and your water. Then if you want to move it around, I've got these really massive tweezers. Can't remember if I got them from a pet shop or if I got them online. But you can just move them around, however you like. And then you can add essential oils as well, so it smells really nice if you were to open it up. So this is how the front looks, and then the back. So now I have one more optional step, and I'll show you all that in the other light bulb. So I'm just going to keep this as it is. Again, you can add essential oils inside. And then you can have these hanging by some twine and things like that. It looks really, really beautiful. You can have candles next to it. Just get creative. I'm also taking this garland. It's a pearl garland from Poundland as well. And I'm going to cut some up and then just decorate the neck of this bottle here. So the lid is all decorated now and can be opened with no problem, so that's fine. For the second one here, I'm also going to add in some stones, and these rhinestones or crystal stones, and there's also these diamond sort of stones, and they're all from Poundland as well. So everything here you can get from Poundland other than the flowers. I'm going to just put some of those in here. I'm just trying to give you all a mix of ideas, so I'm mixing it up for this one by adding in the stones and another type of flower, and I'm also adding in some fairy lights. I got these off eBay, so if you want the link to that, make sure you let me know in the comments. I'm going to add some hot glue to this and just stick it inside here so that I can still have access to the battery pack when I unscrew the lid. You don't have to add water if you don't want to, you can just leave it like this. So I've added in the water now, and I'm going to take my tweezers just to move the flowers around. But isn't that just stunning? Beautiful. And to cover the small amount of battery pack that's showing, I'm taking this ribbon with some pearl. I thought that would just be beautiful to add here because it already looks quite vintage with the roses and the colour. So I'm just going to trim that and then stick it down with hot glue. Check it out, isn't it beautiful? I think you all know what my favourite is. Oh, I love this one. The diamonds, the fairy lights, the roses, the lace and the pearls. It's just simple. This is definitely my style. It's just vintage looking, beautiful, and also simple. I don't feel like it's overdone. And then we've got this one here. That's definitely simple. That's if you just, you know, want to make it so easy. You just add the water in, add the flowers. If you want, you add the essential oils in. If you want, you can decorate the lid. You don't have to. So you can go as fancy as you want with these, or you can go as simple as you want, completely down to you. And they make really nice gifts, I feel, and really nice home decor. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this also just suits the wedding style decor. Now, as always, if you don't want to miss out on gorgeous creations like this and you aren't subscribed to my channel, then what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and let me know if you've enjoyed this DIY by leaving me a comment down below and a like. Really appreciate you watching, and I appreciate your support. Take care. Bye.